Hall was constructed in 1941 as the original library and administration building. The library was moved in 1998 when the new library was opened. For many years, the second floor of Mars was home to the Teacher Education Department. On the lower level were classrooms and additional university offices. Recently, most of the space on the lower level and second floor has been vacant or used for storage. Returning Pinkerton Hall to campus housing caused a domino effect and a need to relocate many of the student service offices and business operations to the underutilized space of Mars Hall. Thanks to a generous donation, Mars Hall is now under renovation and when complete will be the official welcome center for the university.